Welcome to Kids Spark Learns, learning for kids of all ages.
Let's learn types of vehicles together. This is a car.
Yay!
This is a car, and it is one of the most common vehicles we see every day. Cars are used by families to travel to school, work, or shops. They have 4 wheels and run on fuel or electricity. Cars come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. This is a bicycle.
Yay!
This is a bicycle, and it has 2 wheels. It moves when you pedal with your feet. Bicycles are healthy to ride because they give exercise and do not use fuel. Kids love bicycles for fun, and adults use them for travel too. They are very friendly to nature because they don't make smoke. This is a school bus.
Yay!
This is a school bus, and it takes children safely to school and back home. It is big and usually painted in bright colors so everyone can see it. School buses have many seats to carry lots of students. They are designed to be safe and comfortable. This is a scooter.
Yay!
This is a scooter, and it is a small 2-wheeled vehicle. Scooters are easy to ride and are popular in busy cities. They use less fuel than motorcycles and are cheaper too. Some scooters are electric and run without fuel. Kids also use toy scooters by pushing with their feet. This is a motorcycle.
Yay!
This is a motorcycle, and it has 2 wheels like a bicycle, but it runs on fuel. Motorcycles are faster than bicycles and are often used to travel quickly in busy traffic. They can carry 1 or 2 people at a time. Some motorcycles are small and simple, while others are very powerful and fast. This is a taxi.
Yay!
This is a taxi, and it takes people from one place to another for a fare. Taxis are very useful if you don't have your own car. They are easy to find in busy cities and towns. Some taxis are cars, while others can be vans or rickshaws. Many taxis have a bright sign on top so people know they are free to ride. This is a police car.
Yay!
This is a police car, and it helps police officers reach places quickly. It has loud sirens and flashing lights to warn other vehicles to move aside. Police cars are used to chase criminals and keep the city safe. They are painted with special colors and police signs. This is an ambulance.
Yay!
An ambulance takes sick or hurt people to the hospital. It has flashing lights and a loud siren to move through traffic. Inside, doctors and nurses can give quick treatment. Ambulances are always ready for emergencies. They save many lives every day. This is a fire truck.
Yay!
A fire truck carries firefighters, hoses, and water. It has tall ladders to reach high buildings. The siren warns cars to move aside quickly. Firefighters use it to rescue people and put out fires. It is one of the most important emergency vehicles. This is a race car.
Yay!
This is a race car, and it is built for very high speed. Race cars are used in racing tracks where drivers compete to be the fastest. They are designed with special shapes to move smoothly through the air. Race cars are loud. This is a Jeep.
Yay!
This is a Jeep, and it is a strong vehicle made for rough roads. Jeeps can drive on mountains, mud, sand, and rocky paths. They are often used by soldiers, travelers, and explorers. Jeeps have powerful engines and big tires to go anywhere. This is a train.
Yay!
This is a train, and it runs on railway tracks. Trains can carry hundreds of passengers or heavy goods across long distances. Some trains move slowly, while others are very fast, like bullet trains. They are made up of many coaches pulled by a strong engine. Trains are one of the oldest and most important. This is a van.
Yay!
This is a van, and it is a medium-sized vehicle. Vans can carry people, packages, or tools for work. Families use vans for trips because they have many seats. Delivery companies use vans to bring parcels to houses. Vans are bigger than cars, but smaller than trucks. This is a pickup truck.
Yay!
This is a pickup truck, and it has an open space at the back for carrying loads. Farmers, builders, and workers use pickup trucks to carry tools, wood, or even animals. Pickup trucks are strong and can drive on rough roads. Families also use them for adventures and camping. They are both useful for work and fun. This is a garbage truck. Yay! This is a garbage truck, and it collects waste from houses and streets. It has a big container at the back to hold trash. Some garbage trucks can crush and press the garbage inside. They keep our cities clean and safe. This is a tractor. Yay! This is a tractor, and it is a strong vehicle used by farmers. Tractors help plow fields, pull heavy loads, and carry crops. They have big tires to drive on mud and farmland. Tractors are not fast. This is a ship. Yay! This is a ship, and it is a very large vehicle that travels on the sea. Ships can carry thousands of people or tons of goods across oceans. Some ships are used for travel, while others carry oil, cars, or containers. They have strong engines and sometimes sails. This is a yacht. Yay! This is a yacht, and it is a luxury boat used for travel and fun on water. Yachts are often owned by rich people and have bedrooms, kitchens, and even swimming pools. They are used for parties, fishing, or relaxing trips on the sea. Some yachts are small, while others are like floating hotels. This is a jet ski. Yay! This is a jet ski, and it is a small water vehicle. It runs on water like a motorcycle rides on roads. People use jet skis for fun and adventure in lakes, rivers, or the sea. They are very fast and splash a lot of water. Riders wear life jackets for safety. This is a snowmobile. Yay! This is a snowmobile, and it is used to travel on snow. It has skis in the front and tracks at the back instead of wheels. Snowmobiles are used in cold countries where roads are covered with snow. People ride them for fun or to travel in snowy mountains. They are fast and exciting. This is a golf cart. Yay! This is a golf cart, and it is a small vehicle used to carry players on golf courses. It moves slowly and is very quiet. Golf carts are usually electric and have space for 2 to 4 people. They are also used in parks, hotels, and airports. This is a road roller. Yay! This is a road roller, and it makes the ground flat and smooth. Instead of normal wheels, it has a giant heavy drum in the front. The drum presses the road so cars and trucks can drive safely. Road rollers move slowly, but their strength is amazing. You will often see them when new roads are being made. This is a bulldozer. Yay! This is a bulldozer, and it is one of the strongest construction machines. It has a big metal blade in the front to push dirt, rocks, or even broken buildings. Bulldozers move slowly, but nothing can stop them. They are used to clear land, make new roads, and prepare the ground for buildings. This is a forklift. Yay! This is a forklift, and it helps to lift heavy boxes or materials. It has 2 long forks in the front that slide under things to pick them up. Forklifts can carry loads up and down and move them quickly around the site. They are small enough to turn in tight spaces. This is a hot air balloon. Yay! A hot air balloon is a big balloon filled with hot air that makes it rise into the sky. A basket is attached below for people to ride. It moves gently with the wind, giving amazing views from high up. Hot air balloons are one of the oldest air vehicles. They are often seen in festivals. This is a parachute. Yay! A parachute helps people float safely down from the sky. It opens wide like a big umbrella to slow down the fall. Parachutes are used by skydivers, soldiers, and even in space landings. They are made of strong, light fabric. It's an exciting way to see the world from above. This is an airplane. Yay! An airplane is a flying vehicle with wings that carry people and goods across the sky. It moves very fast and takes off from a runway. Airplanes are one of the quickest ways to travel long distances. Some airplanes are small, while others are huge and carry hundreds of passengers. This is a helicopter.
Yay!
A helicopter flies using spinning blades on top called rotors. It can take off and land straight up and down, unlike airplanes. Helicopters are used in rescues, police work, and carrying supplies. They can hover in one place in the air. Because of this is a dump truck.
Yay!
This is a dump truck, and it is used to carry heavy loads like sand, gravel, or dirt. It has a big box at the back that tips up and dumps everything out with a loud crash. Dump trucks are very strong and can carry huge amounts in just one trip. Builders use them to move soil for roads, houses, and playgrounds.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos.